Hold on. Beep Beep by Sam Hearn. All about things that go. Beep beep, honk honk, out of the way. There's going to be a race today. Bob is zooming to the lead. His red race car is built for speed. He says, I'm first. I got the power. I'll be there in half an hour. Next comes Rover whizzing past. His green sedan is loud and fast. Go, go, watch out! You hear him shout. As he drives past, green smoke comes out. Freddy blurs by in his van so blue. Keeps his cool and drives well too. No need to rush, there's time to spare. A quick shortcut will get him there. Cleo revs up her yellow truck. It creaks a lot, but she's in luck. Just keep driving nice and steady. She's almost at the track already. Whoa. Dustin's behind. He's in a rut. The racetrack gates are going to shut. His purple SUV can go, but with a flat, he's really slow. Right, says Stan. Now you're all here. Get changed into your running gear. Who'll be the one to set the pace? On your marks, get set, beep beep, let's race. The end.